Pas. Matanda na. Shit. Kung hindi magiging okay hanggang maghapon, urgent care tayo. Halagyan natin mamaya. Sa Lompas. Yung biglang sumakit to. Kahapon pa. After work. After work ko pa naramdaman to eh. So, yung carpal. Ang sakit. Ito pa naman yung working hand ko eh. So, tingnan natin mamaya kung ano yung magiging kondisyon ng ating kamay. Sakit. Nalagyan ko ng pansalumpas para 16 years of working. Siguro, usually mga carpal yan eh. Carpal problem. Yung repetition ng ginagawa ba. Yan ang sumakit dito. Kasi nga, toothbrush ako ganyan. So hopefully maging maayos na. Sakit ah. So mamaya nalagyan natin itong sa lompas. My God. Tanda na. Dito tayo maglalagay. Yung pain dito eh. Mamaya. Lalagay. Ano pa naman. Ay nako. Ay nako. Buhay. Buhay manggagawa. Work. You have no choice to work. Work, 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 work. Na tayo tumama sa loto. Hindi maging maayos to. Maging ako. Sakit. First time ako nakaramdam ng ganito. Pain ko dito. Anyway, today is Wednesday late. Balik work ako ngayon. Ako kung makaka-perform pa ako sa work. Work, work, work. We have no choice. We have no choice to work. Sakit. Ayan. Malakas tong isa eh. Ito lang nadali. Working hand. Hello? Hello there. Pero magandang weather. The weather is so good. Ah, my God. So painful. Okay, ito siya nagmamahal. Nalagay ako sa lompas mamaya. Try ko ito lang. Sakit eh. I-feel ko to kagabi eh, after work. Sakit. Sa may carpal yan. Oh. Carpal tunnel. Lala. It's my new haircut. Summer look. Ah, see, okay. It's been summer. All you have to do is call. You got a friend. You got a friend. Just call. Whining. Oh, and you know, when summer cut. See you again. Spring, summer, fall. All you have to do is call. And I'll be there. Just call. I'm wherever I am. Oh, shit. Pizza? Okay. No pizza for me. No pizza, no burger. No soda. Dude, dude. Ah, sun. Oh, let's go. You just go. Okay, I'm here. See you later, later.